Starting a food business in the UK can be a rewarding and exciting journey, whether you're interested in opening a cafe, launching a food truck, or offering homemade treats online. But to make sure you do it right, there are specific steps and legal requirements you need to follow. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of starting your food business in the UK, from registering with the local authorities to setting up as a limited company. Whether you're starting big or small, setting up a limited company may be the right choice for you. If you want help with the process, I recommend First Formations. They are one of the UK's leading company formation agents. They are trusted by over 1 million businesses since 2014, and they can get your business registered in as little as 24 hours. They also offer valuable services like business address options and compliance support. You can use my affiliate link in the descriptions to check them out. Using my link does not cause any extra costs for you, but it supports my channel. Now, let's dive into the steps to starting your food business in the UK. Step 1. Register with local authority. The first and most crucial step in starting your food business in the UK is registering with your local authority. Whether you plan to sell food online, from home, or via a mobile unit, registration is a legal requirement if you prepare, cook, store, or handle food. But the good point is, registration is free. In England, Wales, and Northern Ireland, you're required to register at least 28 days before trading. The current recommendation is that you do not register too early, but that you wait until 28 days before you are ready to start your operations. In Scotland, information and advice to help you start your food business is available on the Food Standards Scotland website, which is linked in the description of this video. Once you have registered, you will also need a food safety plan, which is based on the hazard analysis and critical control point principles. This plan is essential to manage risks and ensure the food you sell is safe for consumption. By keeping accurate records, you can stay compliant with regulations and be prepared for inspections. You can find a handy Getting Ready to Start Your Food Business checklist linked in the description of this video. This will help ensure you've covered all the essentials before you get started. This list is provided by the government, so by following it, you will make sure you will not miss anything. Next, let's proceed to the technical steps you need to take if you want to register your food business as a limited company. Step 2. Is a limited company right for you? So, is forming a limited company right for your food business? A limited company is a separate legal entity, which means you're not personally liable for company debts. This is a huge plus. Most limited companies are limited by shares, meaning you can keep profits after taxes. It also gives your business a more professional image. But keep in mind, a limited company involves more paperwork and responsibility compared to other structures, like being a sole trader. If you're comfortable with that, then this could be a great option for you. Also, note that there is help available from government-backed schemes if you are not sure which company structure is right for you. If you have decided that a limited company is the ideal structure for your business, let's proceed to the next step in establishing your company. Step 3. Choose the right business name. Now, let's talk about naming your company. If you're setting up a limited company, your name must usually include Limited or Ltd. Additionally, it can't be offensive or too similar to existing business names. To check if the name you want is available, use the company name availability checker on the UK government website. This is also linked in the description of the video. And remember, you can always use a separate business name for branding purposes. Step 4. Appoint directors and company secretary. Once you've picked a name, the next step is to appoint at least one director for your company. This person will be responsible for filing accounts, managing records, and ensuring the company follows its articles of association. If you're running your food business solo, you can be both the sole director and shareholder, but it's essential to understand the legal responsibilities that come with the role. You don't need to appoint a company secretary, but you can if you want. Just make sure that the directors know their responsibilities, especially when it comes to submitting tax returns and paying corporation tax. By the way, First Formations also offers a full company secretary service that will make sure your company remains compliant. If you're interested, check it out through the link in the descriptions. Step 5. Decide on shareholders or guarantors. Now, who's going to own your company? If your business is limited by shares, you'll need at least one shareholder. You can have as many shareholders as you like, but if you're the only one, you'll own 100% of the company. Shares can be as low as £1 each, limiting the shareholders' liability if the company closes down. If your company makes a profit, shareholders can receive dividends, but remember, dividends are taxable. Shareholders play a significant role in your business's financial decisions, so choose wisely if you have multiple owners. Step 6. Identify people with significant control. A person with significant control is anyone who owns more than 25% of the company's shares or voting rights. You must register all PSCs to keep your company transparent and compliant. The PSC register must be kept in your company's records and reported to Companies House. If your company has a simple structure, identifying PSCs is straightforward, but it's essential to ensure everything is properly recorded for transparency. Step 7. Prepare your legal documents. 2 essential documents for your company are the Memorandum of Association and the Articles of Association. The memorandum is a legal document signed by initial shareholders agreeing to form the company. If you're registering online, this document will be automatically created for you. The Articles of Association set out how your company will be run. They're like the rules for your company, and it's important that shareholders and directors agree to them. These documents are critical for ensuring your business operates smoothly and in compliance with UK laws. Step 8. Keep your company's records in order. Keeping accurate records is crucial. You'll need to maintain details about directors, shareholders, and financial transactions. Also, keep a register of PSCs and any loans or assets secured against your company. HMRC may conduct compliance checks, so keeping records for at least 6 years is a must. Record keeping will also help you manage your taxes, file your accounts, and stay organized as your business grows. Step 9. Register your company. The final step is to register your company with Companies House. You'll need a registered office address and an email for official correspondence. You'll also need to choose SIC code, which describes what your company does. After registration, you'll receive a certificate of incorporation, which proves that your company exists and can officially start trading. After registering, don't forget to sign up for corporation tax with HMRC if you did not do this while registering the company. So that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to starting a successful food business. Remember, compliance is key, but so is passion and creativity. If you want to make the registration process easier, don't forget to check out First Formations using the link in the descriptions. I wish you the best luck with your food business journey. Thank you and see you in the next video.